We have this problem with this palindrome number. Given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome and false otherwise. Input is x is 1 to 1 true. 1 to 1 reads from left to right, from right to left, so it is same. So 1 to 1 minus 1 to 1. From left to right it reads minus 1 to 1. Therefore, it is not palindrome. Alright, so negative integers are also included. Alright, so the first thing which comes to our mind is that we can convert this number to string. So let me name a string and I'll convert this number to string, and I'll just utilize two pointers. One would be at the first index, that is the 0th index, and the other would be at the last index, which is s dot size -1. And I'll take a loop, better keep it like this, and I'll check if at any point of time s of I is not equal to s of j, you will return false, and you will increment I by 1 and decrement j by 1. And if it completes the loop, that is false hasn't been returned, then it is a palindrome and will return true. So this gives us the correct answer. Again, we can solve it using recursion as well. So let's see what happens if we do recursion. We'll make a recursive function, let's call it solve, and it will have an index and it will have the same string. So let's say it has string s. Here we'll make a string and we'll return solve. We'll start from the 0th index and this would be the answer. Now we'll check what is the base case of this recursive function. The base case would be that if our index has exceeded or it is equal to half the size of array, then we'll return true. Otherwise, if s of I is at any point of time not equal to s of s dot size minus I minus 1, then we'll return false. And now we'll call for the recursive function again by increasing the index and this. So let's check it once if this works. Let's say we have a number 1 to 1 with this. This is no longer a number but a string. So let's say we have a string 1 to 1 with this, and I is currently 0. So I is currently 0, and if s of I size is 3, 3 minus 0 minus 1, 2, it would work. It doesn't work because I have to use return here. That's it for today. Thanks.